In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Tattu 4-port USB charger. This charger is a fast charger that charges at up to 6.8 amps with two 2.4 and two 1 amp charge ports. So what this is it's 6.8 amps of charging power to charge two phones and two tablets. Comes with this little fold-away plug for traveling. And here's our specifications. I can get the camera to focus a little better here, maybe not. But 4 ports, compact USB AC charger, 6.8 amps maximum. It's universal voltage, 100 to 240 volts. And here's our output, DC 5 volts. It's got 2.4 amps times 2 ports and 1 amp times 2 ports. Output power is 34 watts maximum. And here's the connectors on the side here, and they're labeled. You get two 1 amp ports and two 2.4 amp ports. So let's plug this thing in and test it and see how well this thing works. Here I have 4 devices to charge. I have my Samsung tablet. I have my work phone, which is about half dead. I have my RAV Power brick, and I have another one here, but I could also plug my phone into here. But let's start plugging these things in. So I'm going to plug the this phone into the 1 amp charger. So I'll plug into 1 amp, and I'm going to plug my tablet into the 2.4. I'll plug the RAV Power also into a 2.4 charger because it can charge at a higher speed. And I'll also plug my, we'll just check out how much power we're using right now. We're using 20 watts. And we'll plug this other one in and charge it up at the same time. So now I'll have 4 devices charging at once. And we are drawing 22, 23, 24 watts. Okay, here it goes, it's increasing. 29 watts is what we are drawing. My battery on here is at 38%. So now we just leave these things on charge and see how long they take to charge. Okay, we can go now for about an hour. A lot of the devices are getting up to full charge. We've now got a full charge on this battery pack. I can unplug that one. This phone's up to a full charge pretty much. Now it's sitting at about 90, what are you at? About 98%. Looks like it's almost full. And my tablet is now, this is a big battery on here, so this one does take a while to charge, but it has come up to 48, 49%. Yeah, it's at 49%. So as we continue to charge here, let's just take a look at some of the other settings here, some of the other consumption that we're using on the watt meter here. So it's drawing 0.21 amps. Our power factor is a 0.6, which is to be expected because, of course, this is a switching power supply, so it's not the cleanest, but that's to be expected. And it's drawing, what is it, 0.03 kilowatt hours. We're now charging at about 18 watts. As the devices come up to full charge, right now this phone is now at a full charge. This battery is almost charged and the tablet is over 50% now. As the power continues to, or as the batteries get to a fuller charge state, the power consumption is dropping. And really the only thing that's pulling the full power right now is going to be the tablet. If I unplug the tablet, which is this one, you'll see it drops down substantially. Oh, and the power bar, or the power brick. So now we're down to 2 watts charging because the Motorola phone here is almost fully charged. If I go back and plug in just the battery here, it'll go up here a bit more. So it's drawing 8 watts. And if I plug back in the tablet, now we're going up to about 12 watts, 13 watts. Add the phone. Right now we're back up to 15. So the power it consumes is going to be controlled by the charge state of your devices. And as the batteries get to a fuller charge, the power consumption drops. But it looks like it's doing the job. And a link to this one is on the description. I was going to try and open this thing up and show you guys how it looks inside, but it is all welded together. Right? They've laser welded the cabinet together, so there's no way to open this up without destroying it, and I would really like to use this thing, so I'm not going to wreck this one. I'm going to take it in and use it for charging my devices. Thanks for watching.